Want to know a secret? Cabot's Timbercolour deck and exterior paint is paint made for timber. But what does that mean, you ask? Well, grab a brush and let me show you. Cabot's Timbercolour deck and exterior paint has been specifically designed with oils and waxes to provide exceptional durability on all exterior timber surfaces. It's tough, hard-wearing and designed to walk on, making it a great choice for high-traffic areas like decks and stairs. Be sure to watch our video on how to paint a deck to see just how easy it is to apply. It's also great for timber weatherboards, pergolas and fences. Cabot's Timbercolour protects from the sun, wind and rain, being moisture repellent. It helps resist mould, dirt and stains. It's guaranteed for the life of your timber not to flake, blister or peel. It's self-priming, which means no initial primer is required, so you can get straight to work. It's also flexible and designed to move with the timber as it naturally expands and contracts. Now all that's left to do is choose your colour. Cabot's Timbercolour can be tinted to over 1,000 colours to suit your style, including popular Colorbond colours. It's also available in grab-and-go pre-tinted options to match Colorbond Monument, Woodland Grey and Night Sky. Looking to test your colour or complete a small project? Cabot's Timbercolour also comes in handy 500ml project pots. So why settle for anything less? For the best results on your timber, you need a paint that's made for timber. Give your exterior timber what love it deserves with Cabot's Timbercolour deck and exterior paint.